Wow, 20s? Still don't get it why it's so wonky in that little area. It looks fine over here. Is that a person? Nope, it's the other field. He always tricks me. Same for that one, especially depending on the shade. Oh, here's someone. So another person. There he goes. This is my last pack. I only have 12 batteries, so it's 6 runs since the 2S. That's more than plenty. That's pretty much half an hour. So they have like 4 to 5 minutes each. Oh, 4 minutes, but then unpacking and or taking the battery off and putting a new one in. That's the other minute. So pretty much 30 minutes of hang out here in the park. That's plenty of time. It's all about consistency, man. You're better off practicing 30 minutes a day every day, or almost every day, than coming out once a day for 2 hours. We don't work that way. You're better get more consistent with repetition more than time. This battery's also not doing well. Maybe I got a second puffy one. Yeah, it's close to it. Oh man, no braking with motor, man. Stupid semis. Oh, there's some batteries still there. I don't know why I was a little bit on the low side. Okay. Basketball? Sure. There we go. Fine. Alright, this is the last one. Coming in hot. Drop it like it's hot. Barely.